everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing the Shayla and Colourpop collection. I've had this sitting with me for 6 days or something, and this is the first time that I've had a moment to sit down and film, so I am so excited. You know what, I don't want to say too much because this is just the beginning of the video, but what I am going to say is that if you enjoy makeup tutorials and product reviews, this would be the perfect time to subscribe because I make that kind of content as well as natural hair stuff. And if you already like the way that this makeup looks, definitely give the video a thumbs up in advance and keep on watching to see how I got this look and what I thought of the Makeup Shayla and Colourpop collaboration. Now I am so excited about this collection, really because I've been following Shayla for many years. Also, as a woman of color, and seeing a collaboration like this, it is so encouraging. It is so beautiful to see us represented in the beauty industry at such a large platform, and I just see it happening more and more, and it's just really exciting that we are represented. I remember being a little girl and not having a lot of products that were going to be suited for my complexion. And so as much as this is a collection that's not specifically made for women of color, but it's made by a woman of color, I know and I'm certain that all the shades are going to be very flattering on my skin tone, and that's such a great thing for a change, just to off the bat know oh, these products are going to work for my complexion. They're not going to be ashy. They were made with me in mind. So we're going to get right into the video. I'm going to talk about the products. I'm going to unbox them. I haven't really opened any of them except the eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to open them on camera with you, and then we're going to swatch and we're going to get into a tutorial, and we'll come back for final thoughts at the end, just to give you a little roadmap of where this video is going to go. So the shadow palette is called the Perception palette, and can we just talk about the packaging real quick? Just the way that this packaging is really gorgeous. I have a background in graphic design and art direction, so I'm a little bit of a packaging geek. I really do appreciate it, and just the way that this was designed is such a treat. I'm going to open it up, and as you can see, they are kind of medium-sized pans as well. I think that it has multiple options for if you want to do something neutral, daytime, nighttime. I love that it has transition shades and very warm transition shades. So I'm going to swatch these shades for you. First one I'm swatching is Revenge, followed by Played Out. Next is Thick, Revenge. So next we have Strut and Slay, Culture, Sassy, and September. It's getting a little crooked. We have Spill the Tea, Diva, IE, and 14, Unbothered, EF, Titus, and Stallion. And these are all the shades in the palette. And for my eyeshadow base, I'm using the MAC Select Cover Up in NC20. I'm skipping stones into the sea. So the first color I picked up is this color called Played Out, and it's super pigmented. I'm just patting this on my lid right now. So now I'm going into the color Thick, and I'm using a Morphe Y19 brush, and I'm just going to place that color Thick right above the deep brown color. And I'm just taking that same brown color and just pushing it up into the orange. And then I'm just picking up a clean brush, this is a Morphe 502, and I am just blending that out. This brush has no product on it whatsoever. Now I'm adding more of that orange and kind of mixing it into the brown. Now I'm going to add that deep brown to my inner and outer corner. I mean, so far I've only used 2 colors, and it's added a lot of depth and dimension to my eye. And that's what I love about just being able to blend out very pigmented shades. So now I'm going to pick up that MAC Select Concealer, and I'm going to cut my crease. Now I'm just picking up the color Revenge, and I'm placing that on the edges of the cut crease. So I actually don't like the way it looks with the orange, so I'm just going to cover that orange up as much as I can. So moving on to my bottom lash line, I'm just going to drag that deep brown color called Played Out. And then I'm picking up Revenge and a little bit of Thick and just blending that out. Now I'm going to pick up a little bit of Stallion and run that very close to my lash line. Now I'm going to take that black shade Stallion again and add just a little bit of that to my inner and outer corner. Then I'm going to use that brown brush again and just gently blend that out. And then I'm going to take the NYX Faux White pencil and I'm picking up the L'Oreal Telescopic. Now I'm picking up the shade Culture and I'm just blending right into my brow bone and then also bringing it to my inner tear duct. So now I'm going to pick up the shade Unbothered and put that in my inner corner to highlight. Now I actually really like that, but I want to add a little more flavor, so I want to try and see what it will look like with the color 14, which is this blue shade over here. Now that is what I was missing. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera and I will be right back. It's so annoying, like when you do one eye, then you do the other one. They never freaking match, but this is as close as I can get for the day. I put lashes on. They are the Lily lashes in the style Mykonos and they are the collaboration with Sephora Beauty. So for lips, I have these two Luxe lipsticks. So one is in the color, ooh, then the other one's in the color Quickie. And then I have a gloss and this is in the color Neat Freak. I have the color Ooh. This is what the packaging looks like. So pretty, it has these little like stars on it. Oh my gosh, and then the actual lipstick has stars on it too. So I'm gonna swatch this color. This was the color Ooh. It feels super creamy. It's like a peachy nude. And then the other shade is the color Quickie. Oh my gosh, I love this packaging so much. So these are the two shades. And then the lip gloss. This is such cute packaging too, oh my god. And then this is the swatch of the lip gloss. It's kind of like a nude gloss that has a little bit of shimmer in it. So the first thing I'm going to do is line my lips using the MAC lip liner in Chestnut. Then I'm going to go in with the color Quickie. Wow, it's incredibly creamy. What a gorgeous color. Oh my gosh, this is like the perfect nude lip combo. And now taking the lip gloss in the style Neat Freak. And I am kind of obsessed with this lip. I think I'm going to be wearing it every single day. Oh my gosh. So now we're going to move on to the highlights. For highlights, I have two highlighters, and I think they're loose highlighters, and they're in the color Booming and Pose. The loose highlighters are a little bit difficult to work with for me, so we're going to see how we can apply these to you guys. And I'm going to swatch it on my arm. Holy wow. This is the shade Pose. No Fix Plus, no nothing. That's like how poppin' that highlighter is. And then here is a swatch of the second one. Wow. And because it's a loose highlighter, I want to make sure I have a little more control, so I'm picking up a Morphe Y14 brush to do this. Oh my god. Holy, I did not expect that. Oh my goodness. Yeah. This is like doing the most right here. Okay, so it blends out really beautifully, which makes me super happy. Crap, I think I mixed the two lids. I picked up a little bit of the gold now to go over it. I'm basically just mixing the two. Oh, these are stunning. Come on, Shayla, you did this. You really did this. This is really gorgeous, you guys. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. I know I have texture, but who cares? Okay, and this is the final look, you guys. I am very, very impressed with this collection by Shayla and Colourpop. This is so stunning, like through and through, honestly. I honestly like wasn't very happy with the shadow look that I created, but it had nothing to do with the pigmentation or the blendability of the shadows. It was more that I didn't know, like I wasn't like super inspired. I really do like the final look, and I am looking forward to creating more looks with this because I think it's such a diverse palette. I love the transition shades that it has, particularly because those are the shades that I love to have in my crease. So obviously I've already gone ahead and created this look, but I wanted to point a few things out, particularly with a little bit of kickback. So if I go into the color played out, I just want you guys to see, honestly it's not a big deal at all, like it's very, very minimal. But what I do think is that with very pigmented shadows like this, when you have this much kickback, it just like means that your shadow is more pigmented and that it's easier to blend. I'd rather have this than it be chalky. This seems like a normal amount. I don't have any issues about it, but I know that people like to know whether there is kickback or not because some people have an issue with it, I guess. Yeah, I really like all the shades. This is a stunning duochrome shade which I have on my lid. Alright, in terms of the lipsticks, they are stunning. The lipsticks, like right now I have the lighter shade which was called Wee, I believe, on my lip. I just lined my lips with that chestnut lip liner, and I think this is like the perfect like everyday combo look. It's a super 90s lip. I know like a lot of people don't really love the like super accentuated lip line, but I really do, and I think it suits my lip shape as well. So if you're into this kind of like lip look, then I think you're gonna love what she's put together and the way that the colors combine so beautifully. What else? Okay, the highlighters, like can we just look? Can we just appreciate this highlight situation right now? Like I have been breaking out pretty badly because it's almost that time of the month. So I do have like a lot of texture, but like who freaking cares? I care about highlight more than I care about people seeing that I've broken out, because like whatever. Wow, it just melts into the skin. I haven't even put any setting spray or anything like that because I just wanted you guys to see like how it sits like it just soaks into the skin. Very much like the Artist Couture glow powders, diamond glow powders, or whatever they're called. So I absolutely love the collection. I think it is worth your coin. I am very impressed with the collection. This is my first Colourpop eyeshadow purchase ever. I guess I just had to wait for Shayla to drop something to buy some eyeshadows from Colourpop. So that's everything that I have to share with you about the Shayla and Colourpop collaboration. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps me out. Subscribe to my channel as well if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell so that you just don't miss my content. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. God bless you. And remember, don't let anyone dim your glitter. Bye.